What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Graveyard by Halsey. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or I'll powerbomb your grandma off the turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. You're using 4 different chords throughout this entire song, and if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, or if you need the guitar tab, I'll have that in the video description as well. All of your verses and your bridge for this song are going to be using your F major chord, which is going to be 1 3 3 2 1 1. Then an A minor chord, which is 0 0 2 2 1 0. And then a C major 7, which is 0 3 2 0 0 0. Now your picking pattern for your right hand in the song is going to stay the exact same. The only thing that's going to change is your thumb is picking your low E on your F chord, the low E string, and then on your A minor and on your C, it's going to pick the A string. Your index finger is going to always pick this G string, and your ring finger is going to always pick your B string, and your picking pattern is going to be thumb, index, thumb, ring, index, thumb, index. So thumb, index, thumb, ring, index, thumb, index. Thumb, index, thumb, ring, index, thumb, index. Once you get that down for your F chord, go to that A minor chord and you're going to do the same exact picking pattern. You're just going to pick the low A with your thumb. And you're picking the A minor and the C half as long as you pick the F. So the F stays here for 2 measures. An A minor. And then C major 7. So again, thumb, index, thumb, ring, index, thumb, index. So those are your verses and the bridge to the song. Now the chorus is going to be your F major. And then you're going to go G major, which is 3 2 0 0 0 3. And then you're going A minor. And then you're going C, just a regular C major, which is 0 3 2 0 1 0. Now your strumming pattern for that is going to be down, down, up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.